Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Tab S4. And the Galaxy Tab S5e just came out, but it is a cheaper model to the S4. I'm assuming there is going to be an S5 at some point, but the S5e is the economy model of presumably what's going to be the S5. So the Tab S4 does have a better processor. It is a generation old at this point, but it's still a little bit better than the 600 series Snapdragon processor that is going to be coming in the S5e. This one is only available in 4 GB of RAM with 64 GB of storage. The S5e is either going to be 4 GB or 6 GB depending on which storage option you go with. If you go with the higher storage option, you get 6 GB of RAM. The S5e does not have an S Pen. This one does, which something I wanted, which is another reason I went to this one. This one is also going to be getting Android Pie. It has actually already started to roll out to some Tab S4s in other countries, as well as some of the LTE models. This is a Wi-Fi only model, so I don't think Pie is available for it just yet, but hopefully within the next couple of weeks it will be. And the reason I purchased this is I just wanted a tablet that has an AMOLED screen and OLED panel. I think that'll look really nice opposed to the iPad's LCD panel. I wanted to do some Pi videos on this, as well as the S Pen. The Apple Pencil is nice on the iPad, but you can't use it for everything. You can't use it to swipe on the gestures for Control Center, notifications, or to swipe up, which is kind of annoying and kind of almost defeats the purpose if you want to use the Apple Pencil for navigation, because you have to put the Apple Pencil down or use another hand to swipe up if you want to go home. So that's why I picked this up. Aside from that, let's get into the unboxing. And I already cut the tape on the back. It is the 64 GB model in black. So we're going to go ahead and open it up here, and there's a second piece of tape. Gets me every time. So we're going to peel that off real quick. Okay, so that's peeled off. Up front here we get the tablet itself. If I can get it out. I was thinking about picking up the keyboard for this as well. The keyboard, when you have it on this, activates DeX mode, as well as hooking it up to another monitor, I think. But you have to have the keyboard to use DeX mode standalone, so you can't use DeX mode just by itself with the tablet. I may pick the keyboard up at a later date, we'll see. I'm going to set that aside for now, and we'll look at what we get in the box. First thing right here, we do have paperwork, so your quick reference manual. Your SD card slot ejector. It's like a SIM tray for the expandable storage, so you use a SIM eject tool to open that up and put an SD card in if you want to. Like I said, that's just your paperwork. Put that to the side. Right here we have extra nibs and some different nibs for the S Pen. One of these is a softer one and one of them is a harder one. If you're using a screen protector, like a plastic screen protector, they do include different hardness. Different tip hardnesses of those, so it works better with different screen protector surfaces. Right here we have your USB-C cable. Really like USB-C. iPad uses it, the S10 uses it, and it's really nice just to have a universal cable that will charge everything. And then we have the adaptive fast charger right here, which is USB-A to the USB-C. So that is what you get in the box, as well as the S Pen. Another thing I like about the S Pen is you don't have to charge it. There's no battery. It gets its power from the screen, from being close to the screen. It's technology. That's a whole other video. You can look up and see how that works. But nonetheless, there is no battery. There's no charging it. There's no replacing the battery or anything like that. So right here we have the tablet itself. So if you get the keyboard, you can use the standalone DeX right here, so it's telling you if you buy the Pogo keyboard. I don't know what Pogo stands for, but it's the connector on the side. If anybody knows what it stands for, leave it down in the comments, but that's the connector on the side that the keyboard connects to. It's telling you if you use that, you can use DeX in standalone mode, and you don't have to have it hooked up to another monitor or anything like that. And then it's also telling you that you can do screen off memos with the S Pen on like you can on the Note, basically. So we'll go ahead and take it out. I'm really excited to see this because the back of it is glass, and that looks really nice. It feels really nice. It almost feels like a big almost like a big S9 from when I had the S9 is basically what it feels like. So that's really, really nice. I'm not going to do a setup in this video, but I will be doing some more videos of it and some software tutorials and stuff like that, mainly when Pi comes out, because a lot of people are excited to see Pi on this, so I'll probably be doing some reviews of that. But for right now, I'm just going to do the unboxing and set it up and everything like that, and then I'll do a review later on. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.